My chickens come up on the porch pretty often. And when I had geese, they came up on the porch pretty often. This is the first time I've ever seen any of the Muscovy ducks come up on the porch. This is a male, a drake. You can tell because he's got a lot more crunkles on his face, which is what the red is, and he is big, probably at least 15 pounds, because I wrestled him not too long ago. I tried to catch him and I just couldn't manage it because he's so big. Not sure what he's doing on the porch. I would think he would be eating cat food, but that's not, I mean, he's just been hanging out on the porch, observing his domain. His lady is, I don't know where. Usually he's real close to her. The chickens may have bullied him, which is hard to believe at his size. Look how pretty he is. The light hits their feathers a certain way and you can see blue and green shimmers. I think a Muscovy is a pretty duck. A lot of people don't like them because of the red caruncles. I just think it adds to their character. They don't quack. They hiss. So they're a quiet duck. They taste good if you decide you want to eat them. Very easy to take care of. I have no problems with my Muscovy ducks ever breaking their legs, hurting their legs, whereas other ducks I've raised, khakis, pecans, Welsh harlequins, cayugas, several different breeds of ducks, they tend to hurt their legs and feet pretty often. Makes them lame. With the I've never had a Muscovy be lame. Not one time that I've been raising them, and I've been raising them for years. They have very strong legs. Predators. I did have a coyote get some Muscovies, and I have had an owl get Muscovies. Otherwise, no. The big drakes can't fly very far. 3 or 4 feet is about all they can get, but the females can actually fly really well to protect themselves. All of the ducks the coyote got were males that were not able to fly very well, or very young ducklings. They were just starting to get their feathers. The mothers are pretty good at protecting them, but she gets to a point that she's done, and basically pushes them out of the nest. So that's the age I started having them come up missing. But yeah, I don't know what's up with him today. He's just hanging out on the porch. I can open this door and he'll go. Let's see. I say that. Watch. What are you doing? Oh, you pooped on my porch? Boy. What'd you go and poop on my porch for? I just washed the porch off today. You gonna hop? Oh, yeah, that's what a male does. They don't fly very well. Done a stinky poop on the porch. We're not getting the habit of that, though, of getting up here and hanging out. Alright? See how pretty and red his face is? I just think they're a pretty duck. Now I gotta go in and get a bucket of water and wash this poop off. Y'all have a good day. Love ya.